Hi friends, let me show you this new Foxrino wrench roll that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a nice accessory for your tools. You will be able to bring your tools with you securely. Look how nice it is packed also. You can get it as a gift for anyone who has his tools, okay? So you want to open this. Look how nice the color. It has this cover to protect your tool, and it has this side bag, also very practical. Let me show you. Let me show you. You have the numbers for the wrenches. If you have a lot of wrenches, of course, 14 will go in 14. And you want to use the exact size of wrench, okay? I don't have a lot of wrenches, but you get the idea. And you get the side bag for extra tools that you want to bring with you. You could even put this kind of wrenches here, of course, no problem. Or you could use the side bag, okay? And let me show you how this cover will attach to these Velcros. And you are able to roll it back, close it. Of course, you can adjust these ones to whatever you need. And you're ready to go. And look how safely your tools are stored. They won't fall down, even if you check the back sideways. So you have your tools safely stored and with you to bring them wherever you need them. So if you work a lot with wrenches, if you need something to bring them safely and organized, this is a great option for you. Thank you.